on our task called works. This is a sub feature of the system. What is works? Works, it comprises of your projects, it comprises of work orders. These are tickets. Let's make a simple scenario. Say you own a workshop. Someone comes, please do this for me. You release an invoice. But who was doing the car? Who was busy fixing the car? Whether it was the shocks, whether it was a painting job. So you need to create a work order for that individual who's busy with the car. Now, what's nice with Bama is that once you're done with the work order, you can click email. Even while you are busy with the work order, you can click button email so that the client can know that the system, the project, or rather, his car is now processed. His car is now waiting for this. His car is now complete. So that's very nice. You don't really lose much of data. I'm sure it won't even take you 3 megabyte to keep on updating your lovely clients. Projects, if you are building a road, building a house, even a project of painting a car, this is where you put the cost. How much did it cost you to do the project, even the value of the project. So it helps you. So this and that goes hand in hand. Let's go straight to Bama. Works. This is where you find the tab works. You can't find it on the quick navigations here. You'll notice on your mobile phone you'd have a view that is different to this. It is a phone view. Again, you'd click on works. So we'll start with projects. Under projects, you can view existing projects under these categories. These are well-known categories. Or you can add the new projects. It's not really complicated at all. You can put the description here using 700 characters. You can say what is the project manager, you know. You can put the project coordinator, you can put whether this project is approved, put it under project type, put the attachment. The cost could be 2,000 and the value could be 4,000. You know that if you put number of days that are more than your close date, which is the date that you say you are finishing. Let's say, for instance, you're starting April the 1st and you're finishing April the 26th. By the time you click here, the system won't allow you such errors. Just read them and understand that no, you have put in more days than your chosen working days. So you come and alter this. This is just to help you working better. We jump straight to inquiry. As you know, our inquiry works similarly the same. So once you hear, you notice that you also put dates. Yes. Now that you've selected dates, you see all our projects are at the value of 532,000 rands. Now you can decide what do you want to do with the projects. You can view the project details. Let's go for a complex pavement. You notice this value gets updated as the project loads. 80% is a reflection of what is already done. What's the name of the project? The name of the project is a complex pavement. The description is a 4 meter by 35 pavement at 7550 stand. You see, this is our task. Each task you can update whether it is complete or not complete. That was a quick view of our project. Very easy. We now jump to work orders. For you to get a work order, you come here. To create a work order, you must first have an existing invoice. As I've said, it's very important to have an existing invoice, to have a new work order. I love this feature more than anything on Bama. It's very, very easy. It's like converting It's like creating a revenue when you convert an invoice into revenue. Select work order. Now, if you notice this white drop down, this is what we call searchable combo box. So I can come here and say I'm looking for hosting. It's gonna show me everything, every invoice that talks about hosting. I love this. This is very nice. We can look at anything like websites. Let's see on our testing material whether we have anything website. You see this website, website, website. Now you click there. You'd notice that it puts the work order number, it puts the description of the work order. Here you can just assign the project to someone. What is the work order priority? You can put it to high. What's the work order status? It is now in progress. Open. You can put the dates. It started on this day. We are finishing on this day. It gives you the contact of the client. It gives you the name of the client. It gives you the email of the client. Then you quickly add. Work order added. This is the description of the work order. Do you want to go and create a new code and come back and create another work order? That's up to you. Now we view all work orders. This is a total work orders that we have on the system. It's currently 4 work orders. Now we can click on any work order here without even focusing. You will see under work orders, do you want to print this work order? Do you want to email? Your technician might like to print the work order and have it. You'd see here you still can't edit these things. This is what makes Bama to be very quick to work on. Within 2 hours you'll be done with a lot of work. You'd see below here you want to put a comment, host activated, waiting for service provider, already connected, satellite dish connected. You put it as you want. Then this is the time spent per task. Note here, time spent on work, use each 0.5 for 30 minutes or 1 for 1 hour. As you can see here, this is 1.25. So that's more like 15 minutes, this one. Thank you for joining us on the work order. Don't mind to test this and see how it works. I love the work order that is being emailed. It's a very, very beautiful work order when it's getting emailed to your account. We can test it. So it's gonna go straight to the email of this client. Unfortunately, this is a real client. Just kidding.